Hello everybody and welcome to this new Wow Money video. So in this quick video, I want to share with you a brand new method where you can get paid on a daily basis from using Facebook only. Now you don't need any money, you don't need any credit card to do this. It's absolutely 100% free. So instead of just talking about it, let me actually show you how you can do it, how you can get these type of payments from all over the world just using Facebook. And people worldwide are making money. They're making a ton of money from this, which is really cool. So all of these are real payments. People actually receive this money using this method. And I'll show you exactly how you can make all this money by combining the power of Facebook. So I know that the most of you guys, you're curious about how much money you can actually make. So to give you a rough idea, when you do one Facebook post, you will earn $7. When you do 5 Facebook posts, you can earn $35. And when you do 10 Facebook posts, you can earn $70. And you can repeat this over and over again. And again, don't worry, because this method is 100% free. You don't need to pay any money. And this is available worldwide. People from all over the world, they're making money like this. So I want you to pay attention to this video and watch it till the end. And I will show you a bonus method by the end of this video where you can earn even more money, as you can see on the screen right here. Also, if you're new here, consider subscribing to our channel Wow Money. We post pure valuable content consistently every single week to help you make money online and become 100% financially free from the comfort of your house. And turn on the notification bell to be notified when we post a new video. Also, if you want to learn how you can make up to $500 every single day, you might want to check our website wowmoney.net, where you can find more details and information about how you can make money online and how you can create passive income streams on the internet. In this video, I'm going to show you step by step the method where you can start making money. I'm going to give you all the information, all the details right on this video. And I will show you how to do it on Facebook. And again, you can do this on your phone. You can do this on your computer. You're absolutely free. So before I show you this strategy on Facebook, I'm going to show you this website that you have to use in order to make money on Facebook. As you can see here, this is the website, fileupload.org. So basically what this website offers is what we call a pay-per-download, like PPD program, meaning that every single time you upload something on this website, which is the file upload, and when people download something from what you uploaded on the website, then for each click, for each download, you will make money. So let's say, for example, people from the UK download your file. You will earn $7 per people. And if they're in Canada and they download your file, same, you will make $7. But if people from other parts of the world, for example, Philippines, India, Nigeria, etc., if they download your file, you will earn only $3. It's not that much compared to the $7 in other countries, but it's still a lot of money, isn't it? And you can make this money over and over again on this website, which is really cool. As you can see here, first of all, you have to make an account. I'll show you how to sign up for a worldwide account. You only take a few minutes to do this, and this is absolutely free. So this is the first step. And then step number 2, you have to upload files online and share it with your friends on social media, for example, on Facebook, etc. And I'll show you how to share them and what files to upload, and I will show you the details on this video. So make sure you keep watching till the end, because I will show you exactly what type of content you should upload, what kind of content you should post on social media, etc. And you will make money from that. And then step number 3, your account can start generating money. And I'll show you exactly how you can get paid on a daily basis using this Facebook method. And you can earn money every single time people download something on this website. And as you can see here, they're paying on different payment methods: Bitcoin, Perfect Money, PayPal, Visa, WebMoney, etc. There's so many payment methods that you can use the one that you want worldwide. So I want you to keep watching, because in just a moment I will show you how you can find the files that you can download for free, and you can upload them on the website and share them on social media for 100% free, and then make a ton of money from them. So first, all you want to do is click right here, sign up. And then you're going to come down to this page. As you can see, user registration. All you got to do is put your name, username, your email, and your password. And as you can see here, you can put your payment info here and you can select the payment method that you want. For example, if you want to get paid from PayPal, Perfect Money, Skrill, Web Money, etc. Whatever payment method they're offering, you can use that. And once you enter all your details, you can just click on this submit button to finish your registration. So right now, the next question is what files should you upload? And where can you find these files for free so that you can start making money and get people to download these files and get paid from them? So what we're going to focus on is GIFs. These animated folders, these animated pictures that you can find all over social media, right? And every time people download these GIFs, you're going to make money. So you know that people on Facebook share them all the time and on all over social media, right? And the best thing is you can actually get these for free without spending any money at all. So as you can see here, the first website I'm going to show you is Jiffy. This is the website where you can find a lot of free GIFs and you can just download them and make money from them. Once you are in this website, I want you to go on the search bar right here and I want you to type in a keyword which is royalty free, okay? Royalty free. Meaning they are copyright free, where you can actually download them for free and use them 100% free and you can share them on social media and then get paid for them. So here you can see that they automatically filtered up all the GIFs that absolutely are 100% free. So for example, let's click on this one right here. And all you got to do now is click on Save Image. And then you can upload it on this website. And again, you can do this on your computer, you can do this on your phone, you can do this absolutely like you want. Now you can go ahead and find a lot of royalty-free GIFs. As you can see here, you can repeat this over and over again. There are so many GIFs that you can download, as you can see right here. People are doing this, right? People are making money on Facebook just using this website. And why are people making this much money? Well, it's just because this is so popular right now and a lot of people like this animated GIFs right now on Facebook. So now I want to show you the second website where you can find GIFs 100% for free, which is Giffer. And here you can find a lot more GIFs that you can share on Facebook and make money. So right here, when you come to this website, you're going to click on emotion right here. Just click on emotions. And then they're going to give you a lot of emotion GIFs, just like this, that you can download. For example, happy GIFs, hungry GIFs, angry GIFs, etc. And you can download them for absolutely free and then upload them on this website right here and you can start making money and start making a lot of money like all of the people that are making money right now. They're sharing this on Facebook. They're going crazy and they're going viral and they're making a lot of money using this strategy. But here's the thing. I want you to focus on happy right here. Because when you share happy GIFs, people are more likely to share it and people are more likely to save it on their phone or computer. And that way, you are more likely to make way more money. So right now, I want you to click on happy and this will show you all the GIFs that are related to a happy face, right? These are very funny, very cute. These are very suitable for Facebook users. So all you gotta do is just download the GIFs and once you download it on your computer, just upload it on this website. And so right now, I'm going to show you how you can share them on Facebook and get a lot of people to save and download the GIFs and make money from them. So first of all, go on Facebook. I want you to type a keyword which is animated GIFs, okay? Animated GIFs. Now, I want you to click on pages or groups. These are the two different places where you want to join and share your posts. Because pages and groups are where people are more active, right? So for example, when I click on groups over here, you can also filter them to only use public groups, right? So click on public to filter them and then join the groups. Now, when you join all of these groups, just go ahead and share all of these Facebook GIFs and then every single time people download or save these gifts on their phone or their computer, you will earn money. And that's really cool, right? Because it's 100% passive income. You're not doing anything at all. You let people download and share the links, and you sit back and just make money. Alright guys, thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, Wow Money. We help you make money online and quit your 9-to-5 job to make a full-time income from home. Also, check our website, wowmoney.net. It's in the description box. Thank you guys for watching, and see you on the next video.